Welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me. I just want to show you how quickly you can do a pattern on this particular pattern maker. Okay, you just put the name of your pattern, name 4, let's say. Here you have a measuring unit, so you can pick centimeters. I know that you cannot see drop down menu because I'm taping my screen, or you can have inches. Inches will be 5, 6 or 7.7 inches. In centimeters we will have 1.8 centimeters, 1.5 and 1.3. I would suggest if you do lenticular patterns, choose the bigger sizes, but for the regular one we can do 1.5. You can pick if you want minus pages before any pages before number 1, or we can start just with page 1 and we will have, let's say, only 100 pages over here, and it showed me in centimeters because I picked my measurements in centimeters. If you have it in inches, it will show you inches. So let's say my book is only 10 centimeters. I am doing a single pattern. You can pick 45 degrees, ink saver, or full color. If you want a full color, don't click that one. If you don't want a line cutting line, don't click that one. We will just upload a picture. Let's do any picture, and here you can trim your picture. So if you think that there is too much on the sides, I can just cut him out, and that will be my picture that I am generating. Now it will show me I am generating pages. My 50 pages are generated, strips are done, and here is showing my pattern. Again, you can see it in 3 pages per screen, like per line. All right, and now I'll just download it, and that's it. So it took me overall with explanation about 2 minutes. So within 2 minutes, even if you go around, you will find that this pattern maker is pretty quick. Again, this is for personal use. If you have a commercial use, you will not have anything on your picture. So hopefully this will help. I'm looking forward to see you. Take care.